Welcome to this 7-minute guided meditation on visualizing and manifesting your dreams. Find a comfortable space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in, filling your body with calmness. As you exhale, let go of any tension or doubts. This is your time to connect with your inner power and turn your dreams into reality. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene, wide-open field with the warm sun shining on your skin. This space is your canvas, a place where anything is possible. Begin to see your dreams unfold before you. Picture yourself living the life you desire. See it clearly in your mind's eye. The places you'll go, the people you'll meet, the emotions you'll feel. Focus on the specific details, the sounds, colors, and sensations around you. The more vivid you make this image, the more powerful it becomes. Feel the excitement and joy of achieving your goals. As you immerse yourself in this vision, allow a deep sense of belief to rise within you. You are worthy of everything you desire. Take a moment to soak in this feeling of abundance. Repeat to yourself, I am the creator of my reality. I attract success and opportunity effortlessly. Everything I dream of is already on its way to me. As you breathe, feel these affirmations become more than just words. They are the truth. You are aligning with the universe, and the path to your dreams is becoming clearer. With each breath, you strengthen the connection between your vision and reality. Picture your goals becoming more solid, more real with every inhalation. You can sense the energy of manifestation all around you. Now, visualize yourself taking action. See the steps you'll take, the small wins, and the big breakthroughs. Feel the confidence flowing through you, knowing that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. As you continue breathing deeply, remind yourself that challenges are just opportunities for growth. You are strong, resilient, and moving toward your dreams with grace and ease. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of your dreams coursing through your body. As you exhale, know that you are aligned with the future you desire. When you are ready, open your eyes and carry this energy of manifestation with you throughout your day. You are on your way to achieving everything you've envisioned. Thank you for joining this 7-minute guided visualization meditation. Remember, you hold the power to create your reality. Like, subscribe, and share if this meditation inspired you. Have a beautiful day.